Hello everyone, if you're getting this error in Roblox, this game is currently unavailable. Please try again later with the error code 517. Then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying error on Roblox. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser and you're going to search for Cloudflare Warp. You're going to go into this link. You're going to go ahead and download this software, and once you're done downloading it, install it, and after you've installed it, you're going to open it up, and then you're going to go into it, and then you're going to go into this settings icon. Make sure it is set to this second option with 1.1.1.1 with warp, and then enable it. And once you enable it, now you can just go ahead and play your game, and you'll see that you won't get that error anymore. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.